welcome back to my channel, all my beautiful dolls out there. Happy New Year. It is 2023, honey. I'm going to be collaborating with Gorgius Hair. This is the box that it comes in. I don't know if you can see it. It is an online beauty hair shop, hair store that sells human hair wigs, colored human hair wigs, different lengths, different colors. I'm gonna pretty much put the wig on and style her and see how I like her. This is a little different for what I usually do wear. I do appreciate the browns and the honeys and the more deeper toned wigs, and that's what I'm going to be trying today. So if you would like to see this fabulous wig, if you're looking for a new wig in this color, please watch to the end of the video. Give this video a thumbs up and keep watching for more. Open her up. Okay. So it comes in this bag right here. This is how she looks. This is a curly, wow, it's curly. It's definitely, I don't think I've ever worn a wig like this. I don't know, I've worn so many wigs, so if I'm lying, just say Chrissy, you're lying in the comment section. It's a 4x4, so it's only 4 inch of parting. The parting is really good. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's parted really well. So it only has like 4 inches of lace, which is great as well. It has 2 clips on the sides, which I like because they're medium clips. It also has a middle strap to make it fit snug and tight, and it's also adjustable. It has a large clip in the back, you can see, and then it has its average, you know, wig strap that comes with every wig. Yeah, I'm gonna try her on and see how she looks. I don't know how I'm gonna style her. I mean, she's already pre-styled. I would just have to kind of go in and like make it neater because it's, as you see, it's very frizzy. But it is already curled and styled. So let me see how it looks on my head before I get into anything. Okay, you guys, so I put her on. I am in love. Like it. I'm not a big fan of bangs because I just don't like things on my forehead, but I do like this, and maybe curl her up a little bit more. Yeah, so I would just probably have to, as you can see, look at the parting on this. Look when this is back. This looks, it's growing out of my scalp. Once I tint this lace, it is growing out of my scalp. Like, I don't even, I mean, the bangs look nice, but I think it does look pretty without bangs. I'm trying to see. But you know, the style is to have bangs. I don't know if it's supposed to be like all in the face like that, because I can't see anything. I'll probably have to cut it and stuff. Or is it just supposed to be like something curly for the sides, and have this being curled? But I'm just gonna go ahead and just use my hairstyling skills and all that good stuff to turn it into a more neater version of what you see now, pretty much. I don't think I'm gonna do anything drastic to her. I don't think I'm gonna straighten her, even though I want to so badly. But I actually do enjoy it in this curly state. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna do the same look. I'm just gonna clean her up a bit and make her more neater. So let's get right into it. So I went back. I know you guys originally saw me with it around my neck. Curls were different, bangs were different. I went back because I just wasn't really feeling the first look. It was pretty, but it was just, it needed something. So I went back and I actually cut the bangs a little shorter so that it wasn't really in my eyes, because the bangs, I wanted it to be a little bit more forward into my face, and I couldn't do that because the bangs were so long. They were like up to here. So it was either that or leave it to the side, which I wasn't really a fan of. Yeah, I think it's really cute like this. I did it in my own way to incorporate the headband with the dress and blah, blah, blah. And I think it came out really pretty. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this exact wig, make sure you go to gorgius.com and look for this exact wig and purchase her. Let me know below what you think about how it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you dolls in my next video.